wanted a new kitchen because we just moved into this house and we're doing a lot of renovation work, so kitchen was top priority. Yes, I visited the showroom. It was absolutely amazing. The choice is just incredible. I love the fact that as you walked around you could have a tea, coffee, take your time over things, and the staff were extremely helpful. Well, because it's a nice big kitchen, nice and airy, it really lifts your spirits when you come into it. And with all my family coming here as well, then we really enjoy it. It's great. My favourite features, I think, are the dresser at the back. And I have two magic corners and a lovely two cutlery drawers as well, which are amazing. I was surprised at how much we'd actually saved with DIY kitchens, and we were able to upgrade the island worktop to quartz as well as the splashback behind the cooker. This kitchen has been in for 2.5 years, and as you can see it looks as good as the day it went in, so I'm very pleased with the quality of the kitchens. Would I recommend DIY kitchens? Definitely, and I already have, and one of my friends has already got her DIY kitchen in place, and my new neighbours have just moved in and I've already taken them to the showroom, so yes, definitely.